we'll be looking at properties of trigonometry functions. And then the first part on this topic, we'll look at the measurement of an angle. Measurement of angle. We must note that what we want to do here is want to see the relationship between an angle in radians and the one in degrees. So there is a relationship between them. We believe that 2 pi radian, 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degree. Also, half of this, that will be pi radian, uh, pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so with this now, we can make a conclusion that one with this relationship, we can convert either from radian to degree or degree to radians. One radian is equal to 180 degree over pi. 180 degree over pi. That's one radian. 180 degree. Or you can make it 1 radian is equal to 180. 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi in degree. Okay. And 1 degree is just the opposite of this, is the reverse of this. That's a pi over 180. 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radian. Okay, so that's the relationship. So 1 radian is 180 over pi degree, and 1 degree is what? Pi over 180 radians. And without memorizing, we can just you can have fun here. Pi radian is equal to 180, as we said, 180 degree. Imagine you have 2 radian now, and you want to take it to 2 radian. Okay, you want to take it to degree. You just uh, as if they are cross multiply. So 2 radian will be 2 times 2 times 180 over what? Over over pi over pi. So that's what we have there. Let's quickly look at that. Want to express the following angle in radians. Initially, they for the question they are in degree. You can see they are all the two of them are in degree. 143 degree and then 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 143 degree 10 minutes. There's no point for 3 degree, 10 minutes. Just a little space and then the 10 minutes. So what we can do without even wasting our time looking at the formula is just for you to make, to go back to this statement that pi radian, okay, is equal to 180 degree. Okay? And then which side you are given degree, that's 7 degree. Okay, and you want to get the radians. Okay, so it's very simple. We just cross multiply 37 times this one. That's 37. Okay, degree times pi radian all over what? This place is empty. That's what you're looking for. The place that is empty times this one. That means the one that is empty that faces that side will be below over 180. Okay, so that's that on that. And if you look at your formula also, you want to convert to radians. You want to convert to radians. So if you divide, then you have 0.6458 radian. Radians. That's that one. Then the second one, minus. So do the same thing. Pi radian is equal to what? 180 degree. And you have this one in degree, 143. Okay, 1/3. I'm going to convert this minutes so that everything will be in. I want to convert this minute to degree. Okay, so how will I do? You just divide this 10 minutes by 60 and add it to whatever you have here plus 1/3. So that will be point 1666. Okay, 166. So that's in degree. Then cross multiply. So now your answer will be equal to 143.166 times pi radian all over 180. This is complete. Okay, and the one that is not complete, divide by that value. That's over 180. Okay, so if you take a calculator, that will give you minus 2.499 radians. So that's just that on that aspect. So, and I want to buttress on 1 degree equal to pi radian. It's very simple. This one, you have a value in degree and you're taking to radian. It's very simple. So if 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians, it's very simple. Like the first one you have there, 37 degree is equal to what? Pi over 180. Pi over 180. Okay. So this is just one. This is one. This is one of it. So this is one of it. So for 37, for 37 degree, that will just be 37 times this value, pi or 180 radian. So that's what it means. If one is this, how much will 37? 37 degree will just be 37 times pi over 1 radian. So that's how to apply this one. Okay, you just multiply. If you are going degree to radians, just this value times the degree value you are given, and that's okay. So let's do the second part. Example 2. We want to convert the radians we have to degree. So you can make your statement also pi radian equal to what? 180 degree. Yep. Then how many radians do you have here for the A? For the 1, you have 2.1 radians equal to what? So that will be equal to this one times this one. That will be 2 pi times 180. 2 pi radian. If you like, you can put radian there. 2 pi radian times 180 all over pi. All over pi. All over pi. All over pi. So is that clear? So that's that. So if you like, you can say 2 pi radian times 180 all over pi radian. So radians will cancel out. So that's just that, and that is what we are. This is what we are using now to get radian. So that will be equal to if you have 1 radian equal to this, 2.1 radian will equal to what? This value times 2.1. So this will give you if you punch your calculator, that would 120.321 degree. 120.321 degree. So that's that on that aspect. Then question 2, the second part. If you want to take a value to minute, it's very simple. You just multiply the point here by 60. And that's what you do. You just multiply 0.321 times 60. And that should give you, that will give you 120. That will be 120. And then give you into space 120 degree, 19 minutes. That is 0.321 times 60. That will give you 19.26. So that's that in minutes. Okay, number 2. 2. Pi over 12 radians. Come back here. Okay, that'll be 180 over pi times what? Times pi over 12. pi over 12. Pi radians equal to 180. Okay, so pi over 12 will be equal to what? 180 times pi over 12 divided by what? Divided by pi. So that's what we have done. That's 15 degree. So this one has no decimal. So it will just be, there's no decimal here. So it will be in minutes. So that's the value we have there. So this is the straight away formula. You're using formula. And if you're not using formula, because sometimes you may forget one radian equals to 180 over pi, 1 degree is pi over 180. But this one is automatic that you know that pi radian is what? Pi radian is 180. Okay, so you can switch this one between radian and degree or degree to radian. You can quickly remember this. So that's why I love this statement. So that's why I love this statement. You can use it to convert from radian to degree or degree to radians. Okay, so that's that on these conversion on measurement of angle, from degree to radian and from radian to degree. So let's take some exercise question. Let's see some exercise question. What I said, that's the solution for the first one. I'll just take one or two there. For the first one, we know that pi radian is 180. Pi radian is 180. Then 235 degree, that will be this side, not this side. So 235 degree will be here. Then you cross multiply here. That will be 235 times pi over what? This is complete 180. You can punch your calculator and get your answer. That will be in radians. So if you do that, that will be 4.102 radians. So I will just take one from this, any one of these two. Let me take one from that, and then we close this section. Let's look at the 14 degree 4 minutes. Okay, 14 degree 4 minutes. It's just the same way. We'll not take the time there. So that will be equal to, what we have to do here, we need to convert this one to decimal, this minutes, which will be 4 over 60. Okay, and then plus the 14. Okay, so everything will be the same, in the same units, the same, everything will conform together. So that will give us, if you do that, that will give us 14.0666. So times pi all over 180. So 14 point all over 180, and that will give us 0.2455 radians. 2 radians. So that's that on these section. What I said here is that when you have minutes, degree and minutes, very simple. What you just do is just the minutes, you divide that value by 60. Okay, that will be in decimal, and then you add it together to the one you have here. Then after that, you can do the conversion. Okay, so that's that. And I want to employ you, if you are new on this channel. Okay, the only favor you can do for us is to subscribe to this channel, so that as we upload, you get notifications. Okay, and you get notification, and also invite your friends also to also be partaker of this channel. Thank you for doing that.